Course at IIT Madras without G GATE scores. UPMSP Supplementary Exam 2023 result out. ICMAI CMA June 2023 result released. Welcome to Vidya Live's News Bulletin. I'm Kumar Vijendra and now news in detail. Course at IIT Madras without G GATE scores. IIT Madras has launched an online certificate program in additive manufacturing technologies for practicing engineers. The course doesn't require G or GATE scores. IIT Madras is offering the program through its Center for Outreach and Digital Education, that is CODE. The last date to register is September 20, 2023. This course is aimed to provide a comprehensive overview of pre- and post-processing methodologies, design strategy for additive manufacturing and operational principles of additive manufacturing processes. UPMSP Supplementary Exam 2023 result out. The Uttar Pradesh Madhyamik Shiksha Parishad or UPMSP has declared the results of Class 10th Supplementary Examination 2023 on the official website. Students who appeared for the exam can check their marks at the official website upmsp.edu.in or results.upmsp.edu.in. ICMAI CMA June 2023 result released. The Institute of Cost Accountants of India, that is ICMAI, has announced results of the June 2023 edition of Cost and Management Accounting, that is CMA Foundation exam. Candidates can check ICMAI CMA Foundation Result 2023 on the official website of the institute, that is icmai.in. So friends, this was news in detail of this bulletin. Stay updated with the latest educational insights and career guidance by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on social media. And don't forget to press the bell icon. For any questions or suggestions, drop a comment or email us at info@vidyalife.com. Thanks for watching.